What was that?
Oh, that's the book.
What? That book isn't moving. It's not the book. Whoa. Yeah. What's happening? What's happening?
What's still so?
Is it you, the talking phone? What are you doing? Nothing. Better not be. Yahara, what's happening?
Phone, you have to go see who did this. You're too scared.
Maybe we should check outside. Yeah. Come on.
Let's go.
Nobody's out here.
I don't see nobody.
Me neither.
It's not one.
Yeah. There's a button right here. Should I press it? Ah!
Sister?
Huh? What am I doing on the floor?
I don't know. Let's watch the movie.
We'll find out what happened. Thanks for watching this week. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Yeah, let's do it. High five!